Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Jupiter from Coinbase. First, ensure your Coinbase account is fully verified and ready for transactions. Next, navigate to your portfolio and find your Jupiter holdings. It's crucial to be aware of any network fees that might apply to your transfer, as these can vary. Always double-check the current fee structure before initiating any movement of funds. This ensures a smooth and cost-effective transfer. Before initiating the transfer, you'll need a compatible destination wallet that supports Jupiter tokens. Once you have your wallet ready, generate a unique receiving address. This address is where your Jupiter will be sent. It's absolutely vital to confirm that your destination wallet operates on the same network as Coinbase for Jupiter, typically Solana, to prevent any loss of funds. A mismatch could result in irreversible loss. Now, let's initiate the transfer. On your Coinbase account, find the Send option and select Jupiter from your assets. Carefully paste the receiving address you generated from your destination wallet into the designated field. Double-check every character of the address. Then, input the exact amount of Jupiter you want to transfer. Review all details one final time before confirming the transaction to ensure accuracy. After reviewing all the details, confirm the transaction and authorize the transfer. Coinbase will typically send a confirmation email or notification. Keep an eye on the transaction status within both your Coinbase account and your destination wallet. Transfers can take a few minutes to several hours depending on network congestion. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Once confirmed, your Jupiter tokens will be safely in your new wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.